What up, y'all? Jay here. Hey, man, thank y'all for coming back, continuously coming back to my channel. I really want to appreciate the love you guys are showing. Hey, so I'm doing a quick video today of doing some smoked chicken wings. Hey, and we gonna do them with no sauce. Let's get it. Alright guys, so I already had them rub these wings down with some of that smoked glow chicken and pork rub. Hey, and now I'm just going, man, I found something this season called garlic pepper season. Man, that's some good stuff. So I just, you know what I'm saying, want to infuse the flavor a little more with some of that garlic pepper season. Man, like I said, the wings have been marinated. I let them marinate for at least an hour in that smoked glow chicken and pork rub. And we finna take these things out to the pit. Y'all know what time it is. There go them wings. That final walk on the raw side. So today, I placed these wings over some oak and a mixture of cherry wood. Oh yeah, we just gonna let them get a good smoke bath and do their thing. And I'm gonna flip them at least one time, but for the most part I'm just gonna let them get a good smoke bath, do their thing, and there it is. Hey, when the grill is lit, the yard dog is on post. You got to have your yard dog, cause people smell that good smoke, they be wanting to jump over the fence. Hey, that's looking pretty good. I ain't play around with it. Just flip the wings one time only. There you have it, guys. Smoked wings. No sauce. And I even got a little salad going there. Man, let me tell you. These wings was the bomb. Hey, just like I said, it was all about, man, making some good wings with no sauce. Hey, look, and I even got this here homemade spicy ranch dipping sauce. Man, that thing was the bomb too. Hey, I'm just trying to show y'all a quick way of do some wings with no barbecue sauce. Ooh, just take a look at that. No sauce, baby. Just let your smoke glow and grace and smash.